Why don't senior citizens need bookmarks when cycling? Because they never forget where the wheels stop. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on cycling for seniors. Tip 1. Start gradually. When it comes to cycling, seniors should not rush into it. Instead, they should start gradually, beginning with short rides and gradually increasing their duration and distance. With time, the body will get used to cycling, and the senior can then go for longer rides. Starting gradually also reduces the risk of injuries. Tip 2. Choose the right bike. The bike that a senior chooses should be comfortable and easy to control. Some good options are recumbent bicycles, tricycles, or even electric bikes. These options provide great support and comfort, especially to those with balance or joint problems. The right bike will make cycling enjoyable and less strenuous. Tip 3. Invest in appropriate gear. Wearing proper cycling gear can make a huge difference, especially for seniors. Get a good helmet to protect your head, padded gloves to ease pressure on your hands, a bright reflective vest for visibility, and padded shorts to provide comfort during the ride. Also, ensure your shoes are fit for cycling. Tip 4. Regular maintenance checks. Regular bike checkups are crucial for a pleasant cycling experience. The bike brakes, tires and gears should always be in good condition to avoid any complications while cycling. Seniors in particular should leave nothing to chance when it comes to bike maintenance. Tip 5. Stay hydrated and nourished. It's also vital for seniors to stay well hydrated and properly nourished during cycling. Drinking enough water and having a healthy pre-ride meal will ensure you have enough energy and reduce the risk of dehydration and hypoglycemia. Tip 6. Warm up before cycling. For seniors, warming up before hopping on the bike reduces the risk of injuries, gets the body ready for the ride, and enhances overall performance. Walking, doing some stretches, and gentle cycling can be great ways to warm up. Tip 7. Prioritize safety. Always prioritize your safety when cycling. Be aware of your surroundings, obey all traffic rules, ride predictably, and always stay visible to other road users. It's also crucial to always have your mobile phone for emergency calls. Tip 8. Take rest breaks. It's also crucial for seniors to take rest breaks during cycling, especially during long rides. Regular rest breaks will help your body recover, rehydrate, and re-energize. Tip 9. Join a cycling group. A cycling group can be beneficial to seniors as they provide motivation and social interaction. It's always more enjoyable to ride in company than alone. Tip 10. Listen to your body. Not every day will be a great day for cycling. Sometimes if your body isn't feeling it, it's okay to give it a rest. Overexertion can lead to injuries or burnout. Tip 11. Consult your doctor. Before starting any cycling program, it's important for seniors to consult their physician. This will ensure they are in a good health condition to engage in such physical activity. The doctor can advise on the necessary precautions to take based on the senior's health history.